Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportibong zegama lambonga inkosi. I hope ine kahle emakhaya niyaphila. Tomorrow we are playing versus a Durban City of Kevin Hunt. We know very well it is not going to be an easy game, but we hope for the best because I think the spirits of the Giants are high, especially after winning against the AS Simba in a convincing way. Whereby the last time he scored more than one goal, it was against the team Stellenbosch FC. But that was a confident booster. Simply means Guti will try by all means to win the game versus Durban City. We know Guti they are a stubborn team, a team that plays direct football. That is all about trying to score goals and win matches. So for Kaizer Chiefs, I think a starting 11 prediction I think is going to be like this if you want to win the game. Number one is Brendan Peterson. We know very well Guti. He did say Guti his ambition is to play Bafana Bafana. So the way he's performing, it shows Guti he wants to go to AFCON and to the FIFA World Cup in 2026 that is going to be hosted Canada, Mexico and also Nasa America. So it simply means Guti we have to rely on him and hope Guti he won't make any silly mistakes. So Brendan Peterson have been our pillar, especially at the back, making sure he commands his presence, making sure with communication is key. His saves are making us to believe Guti can win matches, even though some games are difficult to win, we get draws, but he's there guiding us. Number one is Brendan Peterson. Left back Abafana Bomlongo, Bradley Cross. We saw Guti confidence wise he's growing, so that is what we want from a player, as he did say Guti last season he didn't have the best debut season for a club like Kaizer Chiefs because of criticism, but now it seems like Guti he's growing more into confidence because he believes Guti he can own that position as his own. So it simply means we have to rally behind him and support him, and he does play his part as a left back. Left center back obviously is going to be Aaron McCarthy. He had a good game versus AS Simba, one of the best players on the field on that day. I'd give it to him. His awareness, positional awareness and tactical awareness, it what separates him apart from other players, because the less he makes a tackle, it simply means he is a good reader of the game. Because that left back was occupied, left center back was occupied by Miguel, since he was a bit shaky, but it seems like he is getting his groove back now. So go right center back, Hosiamina, Zita, Kunika. I think he's probably raising his hand to know, even though Miguel, you are an international player, but it is my last season for Kaizer Chiefs, so I want to give the best performances to the club so that I show I'm grateful for what they've done for me, being patient with me. Even though he was criticized a lot, but he turned that and fueled it into something great. That's why he's performing the way he's performing. Right back, Dylan Solomons. Yes, Munyane, he's back, but he has to fight his way back to the starting 11 again, because Solomon so far is doing great, attacking, defending, balancing, making sure that he help us and attacking and defending the width. So I see a healthy competition in that right side. Let's go to middle of the park. Middle of the park, there's no denying Guto Ox has made that number 6 his own. So I'd give him that starting position because Guto will need his physicality, especially playing against a team that wants to win all the second ball. So in that middle of the park, if you don't want to be dominated, to Ox Melabela partner to cut those attacks of the opponent. So number 8, Umshino Candy Shop, he's the one that makes us play. He regulates the tempo of the game, make sure Guti we play according to how he feels, because he knows Guti if we are rushing, it will be difficult for us to create some opportunities and see the weaknesses of our opponents. And he makes sure that he links up a defense with the middle field and also from middle field to attack. So it is easy. It's not because maybe I can say Guti he's one player that we can say he's lazy, but he knows how to use his laziness in an effective way, because him not rushing passes, him not forcing passes, that cannot happen. It simply means good awareness yake is very sharp. So we need a player like that to regulate for us, control that middle of the park. And number 10, Mtota. Why you for me? I believe Guti, he's growing in that position. I just hope Guti can find a goal. He can find a goal or an assist so that you can see ukuthi okay umsebenzi wakhe uyancomeka, because every game he is visible. Just nje final product yiyo nje embuyisele move. Bese ke ku left winger is going to be Upulemodi. Yes, I would like to start uVelebhayi, but I don't think ukuthi uVelebhayi seka ready ngaleyo ndlela, but let's introduce him gradually, some integrate uzothi maseka right awuzozibambela yena mathupha kuleya position. But uPulemodi I prefer him so that uVelebhayi ma actually chance can continue where Pulemodi left off. And then let's go to a striking force, goes Power Ighodaro, a striker that plays as a midfielder, that plays as a winger, that can play also in deep positions, allowing us to build starting from our own half, whereby which is going to allow us to have another hold up play so that you can get a chance to attack, especially when you want to do a transition. So a striker like that is very important to have in your club. We have Umayo. I hope Guti injury yake wasn't that serious. And then go right winger, paper 2, Palama Palani, it's Mfundo Vilakazi. He shows Guti he has what it takes to be a starter for us. But he has to fix here and there, but there's a lot of room for improvement. So Naranjani since well Ulilepo, but even though they've said Ulilepo travel with the team because anga forced to glala, but it will be better Utangene second half than Gutakalu, because we don't want him Gutabe in a state whereby Guti angazilimaza. But Umfundo Vilakazi, obvious with his passes uzoenza sure good no. Angenza sure good team going forward there's fluidity, because that understanding between him and Duodai, including Umapolo Bungob, it is a great combination, because you can see with the telepathy is there. So understanding each other's movement is simply means good. It allows us to have repetition of pattern, so that you can see what this is how we attack, this is how we make sure good we find a way of creating goal scoring opportunities using these players, because football intelligence, it is what they possess for Kaizer Chiefs. And then kuma subs, it's Asanele Velebhayi, Bruce Vuma, Reef Rosler, Munyane, including Lebohang Maboy, Ukajeni and Ucele. I think we're gonna see the return of Flavio Silva, because he has returned to full fitness. And then Utupris naye I feel ukuthi naye he will be included. Inacio Miguel naye uzoba khona lapha ebenchini. I think it is a game whereby ukuthi I feel ukuthi if we start on a high, we get to score an early goal, control the match, and maybe add other goals, and then to release that pressure, and then that's when he can get to play, because you can see with okay uye noshinga basasela. So noshinga naye it can happen, because we saw Paseka Mayo ukuthi na ubuyile ya trainer ucross naye not backing down kuleya position ya left back. Maybe against the Durban City we'll see them, but it is not confirmed. I'm not certain about that, but I hope so, as they've done with Umaboy and uVelebhayi. Maybe they can get a chance ukuthi sibabone on their debut ukuthi basiphetheleni. So this is it for today.